A fire alarm inspection is one of the most important tasks to ensure maximum safety in the event of a fire. A fire alarm that works properly will alert people to evacuate the building, and in some cases, the system may also alert emergency services to respond to the fire as quickly as possible. This can save lives as well as protect valuable property. In order to function at optimum levels, fire alarm systems should be regularly tested, inspected, and maintained. These tasks should always be carried out by the CFAA certified technicians to ensure the system meets the National Fire Protection Association's 72 standard for the latest fire safety provisions. Take the steps necessary to promote the highest levels of fire safety for your building. Schedule regular fire alarm inspections with a full-service fire protection company today.